This video is sponsored by the brand Homgava.
So you got the foldable wagon from Homgava. In this video, I'm going to try to get this thing assembled and what the finished product looks like, so you know exactly what to expect when your wagon arrives. But here's what you get. It basically comes assembled for you, which is super nice. You get the wagon itself. This comes just like this right out of the box. You're going to get the floor of it, which you're going to put in the bottom so that it can have a nice kind of secure bottom. So when you're putting weighted stuff on there, you're going to be good to go. And this on the inside just has some like really heavy type plastic so it can hold a bunch of weight for you. And then you're going to have your wheels as well. And now how you get this together is super easy. So the wagon just spreads apart. You can just put your hand in the middle and you're going to be able to push it out just like that. Now what we're going to do too is just flip it over, and then hopefully you can see here, there's going to be little orange buttons here, and you're going to push those down when you push these wheels in. So the brake should go in the front. What we're going to do is push that down, put the brake wheel in there. So I got to get it completely flat. There we go. Second wheel's in. Now do the exact same for the back. All right, and just like that, this is assembled. Once they're in there, they're not going out once you let go. So we'll flip it over, push that down, and now we can put in our bottom support piece. So we can fill this with whatever you need to do. Go to the beach, softball equipment, however you're going to use this. But just like that, this thing is assembled. It's really that easy. Like I said, it comes out of the box, ready to go. I'm going to grab the camera here so I can bring it a little bit closer and get a better look at what it looks like up close. It's like up close, so very, very nice. So up front here, you're going to have the extendable handle. Push out, it'll lock into place so that you can pull this wagon around. Inside is going to look like this, the support piece on the middle. And when you are done ready to use it, just fold this up like that and take it out. But what's cool too is it does have straps on here so you can actually wrap it around the wagon. But now to get this put away in your car, just pull this up and it'll collapse for you and you're good to go. Same thing, we want to use this. So this thing can be out of your car and like rolling in like 10-15 seconds. It really is super easy. So personally, I'm going to use this at the softball field, but this would be perfect for the beach. Big wheels on there to go through the sand, park, picnics, however you want to use it. So great product. No assembly at all, basically ready to use out of the box. I love it. 2 thumbs up.